Welcome back. Watching your sodium, reading nutrition labels can get confusing as many ingredients have hidden sodium in them.
In tonight's Health Watch, Local 5's Wendy Kuschel speaks with a local dietitian to learn more.
Sodium, it can increase your blood pressure and risk of a heart attack. One of the hidden sources of sodium many don't know about, monosodium glutamate, or MSG.
MSG is commonly added to things like Chinese food, canned soups, canned vegetables, and some processed meats.
That's registered dietitian Julie Erickson with Aurora Baycare Medical Center.
MSG would still count towards your daily intake of salt, and it would be still one of those higher sodium ingredients. Other higher sodium ingredients to watch out for would be, along with MSG, would be things that come in a broth are usually brine, pickled foods, soy sauces, some of those barbecue sauce, some of those things that we add to our foods, but MSG is in that as well.
Now the question, how much overall sodium should we be eating per day?
Most people should be following 2,300 milligrams or less of sodium per day. However, it is a little bit different. If you're over 51, if you have high blood pressure, if you have diabetes, or if you have chronic kidney disease, all of those people should be following a diet that's less than 1,500 milligrams of sodium a day.
On the contrary, Americans are consuming 4,000 to 6,000 milligrams per day. A good general rule of thumb?
Try to choose things that are less than 300 milligrams of sodium or less per serving. But it's a good rule of thumb to always look at that serving size because we're not always eating just one serving.
In frozen meals, look for 800 milligrams or less of sodium. Also, use salt alternatives to add flavor to your foods.
Right now is a great time to use fresh herbs. The growing season is, summer is perfect for growing, so you can do cilantro and basil and all those fresh things that you can get right now. Vinegars are also, flavored vinegars are also a really good way to add flavor without adding salt.
MSG contains 12% sodium by weight compared to table salt that is 39% sodium by weight. To speak with an Aurora Baycare dietitian more on your nutrition concerns and needs, you can call the number on your screen or email them at healthwatch@aurorabaycare.com. That's Health Watch. I'm Wendy Kuschel, Local 5 News HD.